My name is Manjeet Singh Khurana. I'm 75 years old, plus having a business organization in the name of BLK Group of Industries. And I started my career right from the age of 20 years, 21 years. And being into business, you have to work very hard. So I was very hardworking because of being into business in a very big way. So I got into trouble with my legs, I was pulling on for the last 1.5 years with a small pain in my legs. Ultimately, doctors suggested me, 2, 3 to 4 doctors suggested me, you have to go in for surgery, There's no other alternative. So I got in touch with Dr. Bhushan, who operated my elder sisters, both the legs, and their relations also. So at least in our family, about 10 to 15 surgeries he has done, and all the people were happy. So I also, thought of, getting it done from Dr. Bhushan, Ultimately, Dr. Bhushan's, behavior, you cannot match, I think your 50% of the worries and the pain is over when you meet him, He really gave me a lot of confidence when I came to visit him, He said, you get it done and there will be no pain, nothing of that sort. And this is what has happened, For the last 7 days I'm here and there's no problem. Nothing of that, nothing has happened. And whenever I've called, people have really attended me very nicely, So I'm very happy with this hospital, and especially with Dr. Bhushan, who has done 15 surgeries earlier in our family, and this is the 16th one. So let's wish him a very, very good luck and very, very long life so that he can save a lot of lives,